Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A32 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find either the accounts or Google. It's basically up to you. I prefer this one, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, right here we've got our previously added Google account. But let me add another one because we can have like 2 or 3 different accounts added. So let's tap on Add Account, choose Google, of course, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and enter the pattern pin or password you've got to confirm. Right here, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Alright, and as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Probably if you're adding your first Google account, you will have to go through the information about the backup, so simply tap on next and you will be finished. You can always remove the account whenever you want to. Just tap on this account and tap on remove account. Hello. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Let me remove this one also. And as you can see, sometimes you will again have to confirm it. All right. So that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.